What's good, everybody? This is Ray Gay Jones. Hey, I got a good one for y'all. So right now, if you want to get started and you don't have a TikTok account, you don't have the accounts we need. Tick accounts is the best place to go. Buy your account. They trustworthy. They got 5 stars, and I'm finna show y'all. You can just click the link right here in my channel, and you can come over here and get your account. You can either click the link on this video or jump back over there. So today, what I'm gonna show y'all is how you can make those short videos for your this type of account right here. This is the whatever account, rewards program account, the creator rewards program account. Okay, so this is the one where you need the 10,000 followers. This is a good one for you can start making money immediately and you can stay faceless. So if you already got an account with this many followers and you can't get traffic and you tired of making all those videos, I'm gonna show you how to make these short videos that be going viral. Okay, so we use a software. Now this is the best one I found. Now I used to make these by hand, but the best one I found is called Short XAI. You can type in Short XAI, but I'm finna jump over here. It's $12.99. They give you like 500 coins. You'll run through these coins really, really fast if you don't know what you're doing or what to go through. But if you need to build an account from scratch, I'm gonna talk to you about that as we going through here. But if you're gonna buy an account and you just want to make some short videos real fast, that's going to bump. Or if you built the account to 10,000 and you just don't know how to make the money, these videos are the best. And this is the best place I saw it. I don't know if they got an affiliate thing, so I don't send you the link, but it's Short XAI. You can see it up here at the top. So I got 20 credits. I might buy some more, but I'm just gonna show y'all the quick way to do this. They give you these templates, but you don't have to use the templates. They only got a few templates. It's really your own. And that's what I would do too, because I'm gonna show y'all how y'all can get the prompt. So the custom script, if you already got your own script, I want to do the AI generated script, and this is where I get my prompts from. It's so simple. People don't know they can do this with Leonardo as well. You don't have to make your own. You don't have to make your own stuff. You can just go right down to custom creation, grab stuff. You can just use other people's content that's already up on the custom creation page. So as soon as you come to Leonardo, I got 150 credits. They give you 150 every day, but you don't have to use them unless you want to do the motion. That's where most of mine go at. If I use it, it'll go for the motion. But you can just come straight down to creation. They even have the motion video, so I can actually come over here and just get other people motion videos. But it depends on what type of niche I'm in. So like this could be something see, they give you the prompts right here. So if you find something you like, all you have to do is copy their prompt and take it over to Short XAI. So like this. I can click on this and I can take this prompt right here. That I can use it in Leonardo if I want to keep it. Like if I was coming over here to get some pictures, but I can just download theirs. I can download their picture and even take it to another place where they use like the facial recognition. It's so much, and this is just a free AI image I can use. But right now, we're just gonna grab their prompt. We're gonna take it back over here to Short XAI. We're gonna copy it in, and we're just gonna have them generate a script. But the best part about this is the pictures. See, look, they just gave me a whole script. Now that's my script. That's going to be my short video script that what's the name going to give me. So I come to next, and it's going to take me to the image styling. So this is where you can come and just type in your pictures. But the thing is, with the pictures, they give you a prompt as well. So I took my prompts from Leonardo as well. And all I have to do is just come customize it so I don't have to keep copying and pasting. And I can just, let me see what this, yeah, we're gonna do it right here. Let me get some of that. No, we ain't gonna do it there. Need a notepad. Space, baby. Take some of this. I know. I don't want that. Knock all that down. take that some. That's it. That's cool. Get rid of that. Take that. Messed up, huh? Y'all saw that? My bad. Y'all still with me good. Take that. I missed the purple hair? That's fine. Put that right there. Now, purple hair. So you can save as a new style if you're going to keep coming back to this. So if you got a theme, you can always just save it as a new style, but we're going to use it once. Now it's going to take us to the now the best voice I like on here, if you doing if you want a male voice, the best male voice is the one all the way at the bottom. It's this Antonio guy. Antonio got the best voice on here, dog. Coming from someone who wants to be a voice actor, I believe Antonio has the best voice on here. Antonio is all the way at the bottom. I'm playing, man. You see him all the way down there? Ragged computer. They do that when I be doing a screencast. What's the name? So instead of hitting the arrow down, I have to hit the tab, but I was moving too fast. But this guy right here got the best voice. I don't have my computer voice on. I'm at my computer sound.
Logic will get you from A to B.
You're gonna hear it.
Imagination will take you everywhere.
Antonio got the best voice. So we just click on Antonio. Now we don't want any music. The reason being, we're gonna use music off of TikTok. So we'll be using trending music. So don't use none of their background music. Just, you want no music. Now you're going to go to the captions. That's going to be next. Now this is the important part, really. You're going to use this caption right here where it says unlock the power of your imagination. That's the caption you want. But make sure after that you go to custom style. On custom style, come down. You ain't have to change that if you don't want to. It just changed on me because I was hitting the tab. But slow it down if you like. But this is what you want. The main thing is you want one caption per line because y'all ain't got no attention span. So if you made it this far, thank you. Bring this down to 12 max characters and hit the next button. You're going to have the effects on. You want those effects on as well. This and this, but it should be something else. Let's come on down. Now you can change the popping color. This is going to change the background color, but you ain't got to change nothing else. You're good to go. Now right here say run automation and move this out of the way. That'll run it, but I ain't got the credits. So I need to purchase some credits. Purchase no credits for y'all niggas. But after you do that, I should have saved it as a drive. After you do that, come on. The video is going to render. Now, that's basically all I did to create all these videos that I got right here. What's up top? And I'm going to show y'all an example of one. Oh, these ain't mine. Oh, yeah. Oh, this is the last one I did. I ain't see this one yet. So since we looking at these, so the last one I did, you can tell that they're in Arabic. This is a really good one. I need to change that out in Arabic too, but let's use this one as an example. So if you got to build your account organically and you don't want to pay for a account, a TikTok account, now organically is hard. Some people don't buy followers, don't buy views, don't do none of that. What you do have to do is spend money with TikTok. So you have to run TikTok ads, not through your telephone, through the app. You have to get on a laptop and go to their business center and run ads. What you want to do, the main thing you want to do, this is a big secret. The main thing you want to do is you want to run the ads in a different country. You want to take United States off. We learned this from the Facebook ads. Back in the day, we used to run the Facebook ads to try to catch sales and emails. But with this, you're just trying to get followers. So to keep your money down low, you got to run your ads in different countries. So you want to run in Egypt, Kuwait, Morocco, Qatar, Saudi Arabia, right? But what a lot of people don't tell you is before you start running these ads, you make one of these videos, you want to make the video in their language. See, they're not telling you that. And when you do your prompt and before you hit create an ad, you can tell the prompt to make it in a different language. This one's in Arabic, and tell them to put the captions in that language as well. The reason why I got 2 lines instead of 1 is because I actually did both of these from my cell phone, because ShortX has an app. So this is a great short video that was made with, I got a description in Arabic, they gave me the tags in Arabic and everything, even from the and to leave the app. So what I do is I post this